you again today. Our topic is Speak Calmly When You're Annoyed. English Tone and Body Language Practice. Ever notice how sometimes it's not what you say, but how you say it? Yes. Your tone and body language can completely change your message. Today, we'll learn how to sound calm, polite, and confident, even when you're feeling frustrated. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Tone can change. Meaning and. Tone can change everything. Listen carefully. Can you wait a minute? Angry tone. Can you wait a minute? Calm tone. Same words, but they sound so different. Let's practice together. Repeat after me, using a calm and polite tone. Can you wait a minute, please? I just need a moment to think. Let's fix this together. Number 2. Body language speaks too. Now remember, your body also speaks. When you cross your arms, roll your eyes, or sigh loudly, people can feel your frustration. But if you keep your posture relaxed, your voice automatically sounds kinder. Try saying these with a calm tone. Let's take a second to calm down. I understand what you mean. We'll sort this out. Number 3. Combine calm words plus calm body. When your words and body match, you sound confident, not angry. Listen to this example. I said I'm fine. Sounds rude. I'm fine, thank you. Sounds polite. Another example. Why is this taking so long? Sounds impatient. Is there any update on this? Sounds respectful. Repeat after me. It's okay. Let's take our time. I know this is difficult, but we can handle it. Number 4. Practice challenge. Now, let's do a small challenge. Say this line in 3 ways: angry, tired, and calm. Can we talk about this later? Did you feel the difference? Try it again. But this time, with a smile while speaking. When you smile while speaking, your voice becomes softer and friendlier. So remember, tone changes meaning. Body language shows emotion. Calm tone plus relaxed body equals confident English. Don't let frustration speak for you. You speak for yourself. Practice this daily, and you'll sound more natural and confident every time you talk. Comment below which phrase helped you the most today, and try using it next time you feel annoyed. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you till next time.